Prepare to be moved to tears as we capture the emotional and unforgettable moments when deaf individuals hear sound for the very first time. This lady has suffered from hearing loss her whole life, and this was the moment she could finally hear using cochlear implants.
Yeah.
Too loud?
That's loud.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's bring it down. Is that better?
No.
Still too loud.
If I'm talking, it's like a...
You're hearing yourself. You're hearing yourself.
A deaf girl could hear her mother's voice for the first time, and she was so happy.
It's true, I don't even see the difference. A little bit brighter. Oh gosh. Okay, it's hug time, Zach. Here you go. You hear my voice? Oh. Hopefully that's a good thing. Hooray!
This is Dylan, and this was the first time he could properly hear his mother.
Hi, honey. Can you hear Mommy?
Okay, sweetheart, Mommy's happy.
Can you hear Mommy? Really good? Do you like it? Hey, Dylan's so happy. Yeah.
You're gonna hear all the secrets now. Oh, the ball. Oh,
The ball down there.
You heard it?
Ball.
A baby got to hear for the first time when she got hearing aids, and it instantly made her stop crying.
Summer, can you see Mommy over here? Hello? Hi.
A precious deaf baby hears her mom's voice for the first time.
Hello? Hello? Yeah? Hi. Hi.
Take it over this side. Just here you can see she's having a real think there. Don't think about that.
A 14-year-old got a hearing aid which made him completely hear for the first time ever, and his eyes tell the whole story.
All right, it's gonna make a little musical sound, and then it turns on. Can you hear us better? What? How cool is that, Hayden? You didn't know you couldn't hear that, did you? Yeah. What'd you think? So it's gonna sound a little different in the beginning, because you're not used to hearing like you're supposed to in here. And it takes a while, not just for your ear, but your brain to kind of get used to.
A sweet baby girl got to hear for the first time, and it's adorable.
Can you hear more stuff?
Can you hear better?
What's going on?
She's looking around a lot. Hi. Hi. Are you confused? Do you want to see her?
What do you hear, hon? What do you hear?
Can you hear us better? What's up, baby? It's okay. It's okay.
This 3-month-old hears his mom clearly for the first time, and he is so happy.
Hi. I love you, baby. Can you hear Mama? Yeah, you can. Oh. Yeah, you hear Mama. Yes, you do. Hi. Hi, baby. Hi. There's
Hey, buddy.
Daddy.
This baby girl couldn't hide her happiness when hearing her sister's voice for the first time.
Baby sister.
It's crazy stuff.
Baby sister. Baby
A lady born deaf could finally hear herself speak after 29 long years.
There you go. It's beeping. So now technically your device is on. Can you tell? Oh, that's exciting. Here, you can put it down for a second. Just get used to the sound. What does it sound like? Oh, Mommy, you're meant to cry. Can you hear me?
This baby boy was so happy when he could hear for the first time ever.
What are you doing? Hey. What are you doing? Hey. What? Look at that. Hey. What's that?
A deaf child hears his family for the first time, and it is so heartwarming.
Hi.
Can you hear?
I love you.
What do you think? Yeah.
I love you.
Wow.
Hi.
Wow.
She's talking with her
Hi.
mouth.
She's saying hi.
Hi.
That's the biggest smile I've ever seen.
This was the moment Kathleen could hear clearly for the first time in her life, and it was the cutest.
Can you hear me over this side?
Don't look at him.
Can you hear what I say?
Yeah.
Does it sound like it's coming out of the left?
It does. Say something.
Stop crying.
You hear, Dad?
Yeah.
This was Billy Kate's first time hearing Mom and Dad, and it instantly made her stop crying a little.
Even when these are inner ears, I can do a little change to the programming.
Billy. Hi, Bill.
Billy. Hi. Hi, pretty girl.
What are you doing? Billy, what are you doing? Hi. Hi. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Hi. Hi, how are you?
It was a long journey for this boy to have success with a hearing aid, but it was definitely worth it.
Hey, bud. Hey. Hey, buddy.
Hey, honey.
BJ, it's okay, buddy.
Little baby boy Asher hears for the first time, and it was such a heartwarming moment.
Hey, buddy. You're speechless. Asher.
You trying to figure it out? There he is. There it is. That buddy. Ah!
That's what they do back and forth.
This girl, who is pretty deaf, hears her husband's voice for the first time.
How's my voice sound? How's my voice sound?
Yours is loud.
Okay.
Different from mine. Different.
What do you think?
It's amazing.
Can you hear me over this side?
Don't look at him.
Can you hear what I say?
Yeah.
Does it sound like it's coming out of the left?
It does. Say something.
Stop crying.
You hear, Dad?
Yeah.
Hi, honey. Can you hear Mommy?
Okay, sweetheart, Mommy's happy.
Can you hear Mommy? Really good? Do you like it? Are you doing so happy? Yeah.
You're gonna hear all the secrets now. You're gonna hear all the ball. Oh,
The ball down there.
You heard it?
Ball.
Yeah. Too loud?
That's loud.
Okay. Let's bring it down. Is that better?
No.
Still too loud.
If I'm talking, it's like a.
You're hearing yourself. You're hearing yourself.
There you go. It's beeping. So now technically your device is on. Can you tell? Oh, that's exciting. Here, you can put it down for a second. Just get used to the sound. What does it sound like? Oh, you're myself cry.